we will see on the topic nitrogen containing organic compound. Now these nitrogen containing organic molecules such as proteins, nucleic acids, and as well as many other naturally occurring compounds of both animal and plants origins contains nitrogens. We shall discuss the chemistry of aromatic nitro compound, amines, diazonium salt, carbamides in this topic. So today we will first start aromatic nitro compounds. Aromatic nitro compounds can be two types. Number one is the nucleus substrate. It means nitro group is directly linked to the benzene ring. That is, nitro group is directly linked to the nucleus. For example, nitrobenzene, in which this nitro group is linked to benzene ring or nucleus. The another example is 3-nitrotoluene. In this, nitro group is linked to toluene. The third example is 4-nitrophenol, in which the nitro group is linked with phenol at the fourth position. Therefore, it is the 4-nitrophenol. So, in which the nitro group is directly linked to the nucleus. While in side chain substrate aromatic nitro compounds, nitro group is linked with side chain. This side chain is linked to the benzene ring, and this nitro group is linked to the side chain. For example, phenyl nitromethane. Now this CH2 group is the side chain of this benzene ring, and NO2 group is linked to the CH2. Therefore, this is example of side chain activated compounds or side chain substrate compounds. Now, this NO2 group is resonance hybrid of two equivalent contributing structures. These two contributing structures are given, in which nitrogen oxygen bond in NO2 group are same, that is 1.21 angstrom, and are intermediate between N single bond O and N double bond O bond length. So these are the contributing two structures are given. Now the next part of this topic is nomenclature. In the nomenclature system, the word nitro is a prefix to the name of parent compound. For example, nitrobenzene. In this example, the parent compound is benzene and the word nitro is prefixed. Therefore, the name of this compound is nitrobenzene. The another example is 3-nitrotoluene. Now toluene is the parent compound and NO2 group is the substituent. NO2 group is the prefix. Therefore, it is called the 3-nitrotoluene. Now 4-nitrophenol, in which phenol is the parent compound and NO2 group is the substituent. So these are the examples of nomenclatures. Now preparation of nitrobenzene from benzene. Nitrobenzene can be prepared by the direct nitration method from the benzene, in which benzene is treated with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. It gives nitrobenzene. Very simple reaction. It gives nitrobenzene plus water. Now mechanism. The first step of mechanism is the formation of electrophile, that is nitroneamine NO2 plus. Now when this nitric acid reacts with two molecules of H2SO4, it gives NO2 plus twice H2SO4 minus plus H2O. Now in this, NO2 plus is electrophile. Now second step of mechanism, an electrophile attack on benzene ring to form the carbonium ion. That is nitronium ion attack on benzene ring to form the carbonium ion. Now this benzene, one bond is transformed, one pi bond is transferred on the carbon atom, then one carbon atom becomes negative charge and another carbon atom becomes positively charged. Then the above first step, obtained electrophile attack with this benzene at the negatively charged carbon atom to form the carbonium ion. This carbon carries positive charge, therefore it is called the carbonium ion, and it is also called as the intermediate. Now this carbonium ion or intermediate can be stabilized by resonance. It can be stabilized by the resonance as given in the now step third. This carbonium ion remove the proton to form the nitrobenzene. When this carbonium ion remove the proton, then a bond between the carbon and hydrogen is transferred in between these positive charged carbon atom and the carbon atom which is linked to the hydrogen atom and to form the nitrobenzene. This removed proton is combined with HSO4 minus and to produce again H2SO4. So this is the mechanism of formation of nitrobenzene. Now the chemical reactions of nitrobenzenes. Now first reaction is the electrophilic substitution reaction. When nitrobenzene react with constant nitric acid in the presence of constant H2SO4 at 100 degrees Celsius, it gives M-dinitrobenzene. And if still this reaction is vigorous, more vigorous, then it gives 2,4,6 trinitrobenzene. Now when nitrobenzene react with chlorine in the presence of aluminum chloride, it gives metachloronitrobenzene or 3-chloronitrobenzene. Similarly, the nitrobenzene react with bromine in the presence of iron, it gives 3-bromonitrobenzene. Now second, the most important reaction of these aromatic nitro compounds are the reduction reactions. These reactions are various types. Aromatic nitro compounds can be reduced in the variety of products as shown below in the case of nitrobenzene. Now first, the variety of products are obtained from the nitrobenzenes. Nitrobenzene is converted into nitrosobenzene. Nitrosobenzene is converted to phenyl hydroxylamine. Phenyl hydroxylamine is converted into aniline. So these are the variety of products which are obtained from the nitrobenzene. Now first reduction reaction is in acidic reduction reaction. In acidic medium, in the acidic medium, the reducing agents are used iron or tin and hydrochloric acid, stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid. And when these reducing agents are used, it gives the primary aromatic amines. That is, when nitrobenzene reduced in the presence of tin and hydrochloric acid, it requires 6 hydrogen atoms to convert nitrobenzene into aniline. Now, in acidic solution, when nitrobenzene is reduced in the presence of catalyst, nickel or platinum, it requires 3 H2 molecules and gives the aniline. Now second type of reduction reaction is the alkaline medium. In alkaline medium, first when nitrobenzene on reduction forms the mononuclear intermediate products. When nitrobenzene reduced to form the mononuclear intermediate products, that is nitrosobenzene and phenyl hydroxylamines. Now when these two intermediate products condense with one another, it gives azoxybenzene. That is, when nitrosobenzene condense with phenyl hydroxylamine, it gives the azoxybenzene. So this reaction is given like this. When the pair of electron present on the nitrogen of nitrosobenzene is transferred toward the phenyl hydroxylamine, then phenyl hydroxylamine carry the positive charge, nitrogen atom of phenyl hydroxylamine carry the positive charge to form the condensation product. Then it eliminates the OH molecule to form the azoxybenzene. So now second alkaline medium reaction is, in alkaline medium, the second reduction reaction is by using the stannous chloride and alkali mixture. Stannous chloride, alkali mixture. It leads to the formation of azobenzene. That is, when stannous chloride and alkali mixtures are used, then nitrobenzene is converted into azobenzene. Now this aniline combined with this nitrosobenzene and it gives the azobenzene. The pair of electron of presence on nitrogen atom is transferred to the nitrosobenzene, and then hydrogen atom present on the nitrogen atom is transferred to the negative charge carbon atom to form the OH, and finally it eliminates the water molecule to form the azobenzene. The third reducing agent in alkaline medium is zinc and alkali. When nitrogen is reduced in the presence of zinc and alkali, it gives hydrazobenzene. That is, there is the addition of two hydrogen atoms. When nitrogen is reduced in zinc and alkali, azobenzene is converted into hydrazobenzene. That is, first in azobenzene there are two electrons are added, and then two H plus ions are added. These two H plus are added to two nitrogen atoms, adjacent to nitro atoms, to form the hydrazobenzene. Now the third type of reaction is the in neutral medium. In neutral medium, nitrobenzene is reduced in the presence of zinc dust and ammonium chloride solution, and it gives phenyl hydroxylamine. When nitrogen is reduced in the presence of zinc dust and ammonium chloride, it gives phenyl hydroxylamine. Then last reduction reaction is the electrolytic medium. When nitrogen is reduced in the presence of electrolytic medium in the weak acid, it gives aniline. In the presence of weak acid, nitrogen is converted to aniline. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.